Mr. Saline.
Yes, ma'am. Hey, bud. Forget the cold hands. It's always got freezing in this room. Yes, ma'am.
I know you're Mr. Duggar's attorney,
Yes, ma'am.
and I know you were.
Oops, sorry.
I know you were Dustin's attorney as well. I don't know if you remember me, Miss Story.
Yes.
Hey,
It's
I
been a
just
few
wondered-
years.
I know you can't or talk about the case, but I wondered if you wanted to make a comment. I'm just on YouTube
Oh,
now, and I
well.
wondered if you would make a any comment.
Not at this
Friendly.
moment. I just have to get back in front of Judge Clark. But
Okay.
if you want to follow up with me, I'm happy to do such. I know that the family's working on putting everything together. But at this moment, I have Judge Clark on the bench waiting for me on a
Okay,
juvenile matter.
and I will say this: I know you are an excellent attorney.
Well, I certainly
personally.
appreciate that. Well,
Okay.
thank you.
I miss one thing I missed because the bailiff come over. I had permission to be in there
Sure.
with Miss Ashley, but because he was telling me he didn't know about the filming and stuff,
Uh-huh.
so I couldn't hear. What was the bail set at?
So the total is 600,000.
600.
There's 100,000 on the first count and 500,000 on count 2. So it's a total of $600,000. And of course, the standard no contact order is in place. So in the event the family does bond him out, there is absolutely no contact in person, through social media, third-party communication as well. And the biggest thing we're asking for, as you heard me say, is that he be treated the same as anybody else in
Sure.
the community. But
Will he be able to leave the state of Florida? Because I know certain rules, like for anybody else, you would be able to get if you want to leave the state, for anybody, you'd be able to go back. Will he be able to go back to Arkansas?
quite frankly, you have the same information we have. He should be allowed to do such. Sometimes that becomes a question between the bondsman and the client. And at this point in time, he hasn't been bonded out. But as far as the court is concerned, I haven't seen any paperwork, but there was nothing announced by the court saying that he must stay in Bay County or Florida, which would be a little unusual considering he doesn't live here in our state.
Sure.
So, but my understanding is he would be fine. Obviously, whatever happens as far as the bond is a civil contract between the bondsman and the client. Yep.
Okay. Well, I
So-
thank you for
Hey,
your
you're
time. I was
welcome.
wondering who he was going to get here,
Yes,
so you're an
yes.
excellent lawyer. So
Well, I
everybody
appreciate
come
that.
see Al Saline.
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay.
Well, thank you, man.
All right.
Have a
Thank
great
you.
morning.
You have a
Give
great
my
day.
best to Dustin.
All right. Thank you. And there you have it, folks. There you have it. Oh, I need to go this way. So, y'all heard. And I will be talking to y'all soon. I didn't make it in time enough to get in there. But yes, the bailiff come and told me I couldn't be filming, and the lady Ashley from the Bay County Sheriff's Office told him, oh yes I could. So I had to turn my camera back on. So I was, you know, everybody has fair representation, and you know, everybody's innocent until proven guilty by a court of law. So, you know, I'm glad that I got to speak with Al Saline. He is honestly one of the best, you know, and I do stand with the victims. That's a hard part of any attorney, you know. A defense attorney stands with victims as well, but they don't get to pick and choose. You know, sometimes it's luck of the draw, you know, and you can't fault them. You cannot fault them. So, you know, it's a hard thing to say. So, I do know Al Saline to be a good guy. You just can't pick and choose. But anyway, so there you have it, folks. The next thing is, I wonder if he will make that bond. $600,000. $600,000. Wow. Okay, so there you have it. I'm headed to the house.